Today I'll be showing you a quick 5-minute fix for your noisy roller door.
That is, if you're lucky enough to have a short sheet to access the internal springs.
If you've got enough gap like this one, let's take a look inside and show you what we can lubricate to fix this annoying problem. Inside a roller door, you have at least 2 torsion springs which wind up and store kinetic energy to help assist with lifting the roller door. There's also usually 1 or 2 curtain retaining brackets which attach to the end of the curtain and to the shaft. Now that annoying screeching sound that you can hear is generated from when the torsion springs rub hard against the axle inside of the roller door. And to fix this, we're going to apply lubricant to the axle and springs, which has extremely good penetrating and adhesive abilities. And the lubricant we're using today is HHS 2000 by Worth. Unlike a lot of other different sprays that I've tried, this one penetrates very good and then its viscosity increases. And then it remains active and doesn't wear off the components. This ensures the most optimum lubrication between the spring and the axle compared to most other products on the market. And what we're trying to aim for is to penetrate through the spring and onto the axle, which is where the noise is coming from. This will coat both the spring and the axle, preventing any rubbing noises that you can hear. We're also going to spray some between the axle and the curtain retainer, ensuring the roller door spins around freely when it's in operation. I'll just speed up the process of giving this next spring and curtain retainer a quick spray. This probably takes about 1/4 to half a can, so you can get at least 2 or 3 very noisy roller doors done with one of these cans. Just make sure you give it a good spray all over and between the coils, and this will ensure you only have to do it once, maybe every year or 2. Now we'll just open up the roller door, which will allow the springs to relax, and we'll let the lubricant set for about 30 to 60 seconds.
One more final test and it looks like we have 0 noise and a very quiet running roller door. So that's how you lubricate your springs to get rid of any screeching noise in your garage roller door. Your neighbours will be very impressed. If your roller door doesn't have a gap like this one, see our other videos on how to lubricate your roller door a different way. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.